everyone, this is Nancy with Ash's Treasure. Welcome back to our channel, and I'm giving you an update about what we're doing with our little art garden. Right here I have basil. This is oregano. We have a Venus flytrap now, because I don't like bugs, and I especially don't like spiders. They can creepy crawlies. These are onions that I got from Aldi about a month ago. This is the fourth cutting that I got from them, so I'm really happy with that. And this is going to be our rosemary. So that's what I've got started so far. And this is a shout out to the Essence family. Yeah, the Sapper Gardener. He had this, so I went and got one. It is a mushroom grow kit from Back to Roots. And yes, I love mushrooms. I just don't like when I buy them at the store. They become slimy within a couple of days or smell like fish. So that's not a good thing. But that's what I've got started so far, and our little one has come back to join us. And there she is. Who are you today? She is an owl today. Yeah, like Minnie Pearl. We still have the tag on the owl. And that's my oven. Cooking some chicken for my kids when they get home. Well, they're not kids, but they're still kids to me. But with that, I want to tell everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell for notifications, and leave some comments down below. And I'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful day.